probably down the line on June 4th, if on the day that results would be coming out, I promise that this results would ensure that the whole country would stand up and look towards Andhra Pradesh. In fact, when someone told me last time itself was 151, last time out of 175, 151 itself is a tall number. When someone told me 22 out of 25 itself is a tall number, this time we're going to beat that record. We will surpass 151, we will surpass 20.
ఈ వీడియో కానీ మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్, కామెంట్, షేర్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కోసం సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.